How to fix easy and tight sheet launch error. So first you want to go to the game you're having trouble with. So it could be a Steam game or game from Epic Games, doesn't matter. You want to right click on the game and go to the install directory. So in this case, installed files, and click on browse. Now this folder should show up. Now you want to find easy and tight sheet folder, double click on it and right click on easy and tight sheet EOS setup. Then you want to create a shortcut right here. So you want to click on create shortcut and right click on the shortcut, go to properties and then click on the target right here and then press the end button to take you to the end of the line. Now you want to press space and then you will need to type repair after space like that. And now you want to click on apply button, click on OK and then right click on easy and tight sheet setup shortcut and run it as administrator and confirm it and wait for the command line to run. And once it's completed, you want to try to launch the game again to see if that solves the issue. And if the issue for some reason still persists, here's what you can do. You'll need to remove this shortcut and then come to the game properties window. Click on installed files and click on verify the integrity of game files. And then just wait for this process to finish verifying and repairing the game files. Now once it's done, you want to simply press the play button to launch the game again, and that should solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.